Hey everyone, my name is Ryan, and I'm the CEO and founder here at UpKeep, and it's the first release Friday of 2025. Really excited to share with you two big new updates that you'll see in UpKeep starting today. The first one is improving the display of our preventive maintenance schedules within UpKeep, just making it easier for you to access all the information data that you need on your preventive maintenance schedules. And the second one is AI powered data transformations using our import tool. This is using natural language to make bulk updates to import all of your information and data into UpKeep. It's really, really awesome. It makes it just 10 times easier to make big changes. So go in, check it out, let us know what you think. I'm going to pass the baton over to Spencer to show you exactly how it works in UpKeep. I'll see you next week.
Hey everyone, happy Friday. My name is Spencer Nelson and I am a senior product manager here at UpKeep. Today I'm going to be walking through a couple of changes both to preventive maintenance and to imports within UpKeep. So here in preventive maintenance, the big change here is that there is a new column which is called assets and locations. This column was formerly called schedules, but what we've done is we've included the asset and location information from every schedule within that PM so that at a glance you can quickly see, the asset that the list of assets that are handled by this PM as well as the schedule that they're on. So, this asset is on an every 3-year schedule, whereas this one is on an every month schedule. You can see things like the last time that the work order, the last work order due date, the next time the work order is going to be due, and the next time that work order is going to trigger. This just helps give you kind of a bird's eye view of the PM, kind of understanding, what's within that PM without having to go to the page itself. This also has the added benefit of improving the performance of this page. So if you are someone who has hundreds or thousands of schedules within your PMs, you should see this page start to perform a lot faster now. Cool. The next thing is related to import and export. And this is a feature that's actually available across imports and exports of any data set within UpKeep. What this new feature is going to allow you to do is use AI to transform your data and kind of change the formatting of it. So anytime you're doing an import, when you get to kind of the end step here, where you're prompted to review and edit, the formatting of this spreadsheet. Now you'll see this button, which is called Transform Data, and you can use this to kind of do bulk transformations using sort of natural language queries. So let's say I wanted to take something like, hey, I'm trying to get rid of this damage category, and I just want everything that's damaged to now be called, reactive or something like that. You can say change all values of damage to reactive in the category column. Click preview. And the system's going to go ahead and show you, okay, hey, here's this one column. Here's all the instances where we're going to change damage to reactive. If you want, you can show all columns so that you can actually see, hey, this is going to be made on 124 rows. And you could kind of see the full data. Here's the category one showing the before and after. But you could kind of match that to the work order title and so on and so forth. And then confirm if you want to do it, or, if it doesn't work the way you intended, just cancel, and you can always kind of prompt the system to make another change. Another thing you could do is say something like add 00000 to the end of all date fields that have a value. And that might do something. Maybe I won't show all columns here, but you can see here, hey, before I just had, the date in here, or, maybe this is just for this date one. Before I just had the date with no time, but now I have a date and time. Just important to know, it's important to check this before you confirm. The system is going to do its very best to try and make the change that it thinks you want to make. But of course, it might not be perfect. Like in this case, I had a before that this was actually a time column. So, maybe I want to refine this query to say, only ones that maybe I can specify the columns that I want to change. So please play around with this. Let us know what you think. Sometimes you'll write something and the system will just say, hey, we can't process that request. But please let us know what you think. Let us know if there are other opportunities for features like this that you see within the application. And as always, keep the feedback coming. I love hearing from you guys. And I'm excited to keep releasing more stuff together this year. All right, thanks.